Hi guys, Asisten here, and here is our math problem for today. Let's begin with this circle O and these two lines that are tangent to our circle O. Let's call the point of intersections as point B and point C, and the vertex of this angle as point A. Let's construct another line segment that's tangent to the green circle, and let's form this pink triangle, and let's call our triangle as triangle ATE. The point of intersection between the pink triangle and the circle is point F. If it is given that the length of segment AB is 22 units, we would like to find what is the perimeter of the pink triangle. You can pause the video and see if you can solve this math problem. Now let's solve this problem together. The perimeter of the pink triangle is the combined length of segment AE plus segment ED plus segment AD. So our goal is to find what is the sum of these three line segments. It is given that segment AB is equal to 22 units, and from the two tangents theorem, if two tangent segments are drawn to one circle from the same external point, then the two segments are congruent. So in here, if segment AB is equal to 22, then segment AC is also equal to 22 because segment AB and segment AC are two tangent segments that are drawn to the same green circle from one external point, point A. Using this theorem again, we can show that segment EB and segment EF are also congruent. And let's call segment EB to be X, then segment EF is also equal to X. Using the same reasoning, we can show that segment DF and segment DC are also congruent, and if we let segment DF to be equal to Y, then segment DC is also equal to Y units. From here, we can now say that the perimeter P is equal to segment AE, which is equal to 22 minus X, plus segment AD, which is equal to 22 minus Y, plus segment DE, which is equal to X plus Y. Then simplifying, we have minus X plus X, which is equal to 0, minus Y plus Y is also 0. So what is left is perimeter is equal to 22 plus 22. And so our perimeter is equal to 44 units. The perimeter of this pink triangle is 44 units, and this is now our final answer. Thank you very much, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and watch our next video. Bye for now.